Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports MagSafe and that the battery pack itself is charged. This prevents slow or no charge surprises. Once done, remove bulky cases, thin silicone or leather is fine, and place the pack on the phone's center. You should feel and hear the magnetic snap. Make sure the phone is unlocked and the screen is on so you can see the charging icon. This confirms proper alignment and that the pack is actively transferring power. After initial contact, monitor how the pack behaves. Tap the battery indicator to view percent and estimated remaining time. This helps you plan usage. If you keep the pack connected overnight, enable optimized battery charging to reduce wear. Note it may hold at 80% until needed. For quicker replenishment of both devices, connect a USB-C charger to the pack's input port. This will allow pass-through or faster recharge of the pack, depending on model and charger wattage. When you're done, lift the MagSafe pack straight off the back. Don't slide, because that can interrupt connectors. If charging fails, reseat it and wipe both surfaces with a dry cloth. Then check the pack's LED and the phone's battery widget. Once done, make sure the pack has internal charge and that phone settings aren't blocking wireless charge. If problems persist, restart the phone and update iOS. Finally, try the pack on another compatible phone to isolate whether it's the phone or the battery pack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.